Another important factor in installing air conditioning systems is getting them off the ground for multiple reasons. In some of the regions of the country, we have to deal with a lot of water. In some of the regions of the country, we have to deal with a lot of snow. So we have to have those units off the ground. Here in Arizona, we don't have any of those issues, but what we do want to do is still make sure that it's up off the ground. We want to make sure it's up off the ground high enough that leaves or anything aren't collecting inside the system. We need to be able to rinse these systems off, the coils. We want to make sure that there's no mud or dirt or anything that can destroy these systems laying inside the system. So it's really, really important to make sure that you either put in some new pads or you make sure that the new systems are elevated enough that you don't have to worry when it's time to clean these things. You don't have standing water creating rust and destroying these systems.